Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. We are back from vacation and I asked you guys over on the community tab what kind of videos y'all wanted to see, and overwhelmingly y'all all said salads. Y'all must be in the summertime mood just like we are, ready for cool, crisp, easy things we don't have to cook. So in today's video, I have incredible salad recipes. Y'all are gonna love these. Let's get cooking. This first recipe is one that I actually found on Pinterest. I've had it pinned for a while, but I'm excited to finally make it and give it a try. It is a corn salad, a cracked out corn salad. So down here we have some really simple ingredients as always. We have 2 bags of the Bird's Eye frozen corn. Any kind of frozen corn that you want to use will be fine. And I think these are about 10-ounce bags. Next, we're gonna need some shredded cheddar cheese. And I will say for a salad like this, I prefer to use the already shredded cheese. Normally in recipes, I say shred it yourself if you can, but I feel like in these types of salads, the already shredded kind of holds up better. We also have some bacon over here. We're gonna chop that up and put that in there. We're gonna need some ranch dressing. We have some salt and pepper, and then a little bit of chopped green onion over here. This is gonna be so quick and easy, perfect for summer. Let's put this together. First things first, we're gonna get our corn cooked up. These just cook right in the microwave. But like I said, these are about 10-ounce bags. So really you can use any type of corn that you want. You could use canned corn. If you have some fresh corn on the cob, you wanna cut it off and use it, feel free to do that. But we're gonna pop these in the microwave. All right, so our corn is nice and cool. We have it there. Now we're gonna go ahead and give this bacon a chop. This is 5 pieces of bacon that we just cooked up earlier, and the skillet is nice and crispy. Give it a chop. All right, let's add our bacon to our corn. Next, we're gonna go in with that shredded cheese. I think the recipe calls for a cup, a gin cup. Measure the cheese with your heart, whatever you wanna do. Let's get a good bit in there. I'm gonna go ahead and toss everything around before I add in our dressing and our salt and pepper. That way, everything will be nice and kind of all incorporated and kind of spread out evenly. It calls for a 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. Just gonna eyeball that as well. Now we're gonna give everything a mix. This looks delicious. Oh my gosh. I love ranch and bacon and cheese and corn. I think that looks like the perfect amount of ranch.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, so we're just gonna garnish it with a little bit more cheese. And then since I didn't put my green onion in it, just garnish it with a little bit on top. That is so pretty and festive. This will be great for any cookout. Do with some kebabs, burgers, chicken. I mean, anything really. What could you not love this with? Next up is another recipe I have never tried, but I've seen it all over TikTok. I'm sure you guys have seen it too. I don't even know the name of it. It's sweet pepper cucumber salad. I don't know, but I'll just show y'all. It looked so good, so I'm very excited to see how it tastes. So the ingredients we will need for it, we have some mini sweet peppers. We have 1 cucumber. This is ginger dressing, and I had a hard time finding this in the store, but it's over in like the produce section where all of the fresh dressings and things like that are. So if you're looking for it, that's where you need to look. And then next, they use something called a chili crunch. A lot of people get it from Trader Joe's. This is the closest thing that I could find. I actually already had this, so we're going with it. And then we're gonna need some everything bagel seasoning. So first, we're just gonna chop up our cucumber and our mini sweet peppers. I've seen people do these different ways. I'm just gonna kind of slice mine up. All right, next we're gonna chop up our little mini sweet peppers. I have about 6 here, just kind of 2 of each color. And all the videos I saw on TikTok, they just kind of sliced them up into thin little rings. You really don't have to worry about the seeds. These are not spicy at all, of course, so slice them up and you can throw everything in. That's a lot of peppers. That already looks good. All right, next we're just gonna add some of this chili garlic sauce. Gotta smell it. So I'm thinking this is pretty spicy. I'm gonna put a tablespoon, and everybody's doing this differently on TikTok, so, and that chili crunch might be different, I don't know. And next for that ginger dressing, give it a little shake.
A lot of times when you see that ginger dressing,
That smells so good.
It's not mixed, so it looks like soy sauce at
Yeah.
the top and or at the bottom of it.
Oh my gosh, that smells delicious. All right, let's just drizzle some on. I don't know, that's probably good. Okay, lastly, some of that everything bagel seasoning. Okay, everything toss. Whoops, lost one. And this is just something different. This is why I've been wanting to try it. Just a different kind of salad to serve with anything you're grilling out. Anything like that. Something different to take somewhere. That's always a good thing. All right, I'm gonna put just a little bit more of that ginger dressing. A little spicy. But good. Different.
You like it?
And I don't know if that's the right thing, but people are using different things, but that's literally it. For a different little side, put with some meat, any kind of grilled meat, I think that would be really delicious with. All right, that is literally it for this salad. Super refreshing, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it, and we're gonna have it with our grilled chicken later. It's gonna be good. Everything like this is always better if I can get my plastic wrap open. Anything like this is always better, of course, when you let it sit for a few hours. Next up, we have another recipe I found on Pinterest. I have been looking at it for months and just haven't made it, but today's the day. It is a dill pickle pasta salad. I cannot wait to make this. So down here, we're gonna need 1 box of Rotini pasta. This is just 1 small white onion diced. This is pickle juice. We have them kind of measured out already. One's gonna be for the dressing for the pasta salad, and then one we're just gonna kind of marinate those pasta noodles when they get done cooking. We have a little bit of mayonnaise, whole bunch of chopped dill pickles. Back here, this is 1 small block of Colby Jack cheese, just cubed up. Then we have some sour cream as well, salt and pepper, and then you can either use some fresh dill, you can use some dried dill, or y'all, I love this dill pickle seasoning right here. It is Pork King Good. Got it on Amazon. It is such like a strong dill pickle flavor. Matter of fact, you just mix this with some sour cream and it's like the perfect chip dip. So I thought we'd use this in our dill pickle pasta salad. All right, so our water's boiling. We're just gonna cook 1 box of rotini according to our package direction. All right, let's drain our pasta. I'm also gonna go ahead and give the pasta a really good rinse. I just run cold water over it, kind of toss it around a little bit, rinse it because it keeps it from kind of sticking and just becoming one big block of pasta salad. I don't rinse spaghetti noodles, but I do rinse stuff when I make pasta salad. All right, so next we're just gonna pour on a little bit of that pickle juice. That's just straight from the jar of pickles we had. And we're gonna let our rotini kind of marinate in this pickle juice while we're preparing our dressing and everything else to go in here. I guess it just kind of deepens that dill pickle flavor. Next, we're just gonna bring in our chopped white onion. I might not add quite all of that. That was kind of a small medium onion. Then we're gonna add all of this chopped pickle. Yum. And then, like I said, this is just 1 8-ounce block of Colby Jack cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and give all of this a toss before we make our dressing. Yum. I think I've literally been looking at this recipe for years. I think I first saw it on Facebook, and I'm so excited to finally be trying it. Might be a good thing that I haven't tried it until now. All right, let's make our dressing really quick. We're gonna need about 1 cup of sour cream. Then we have 1 cup of mayonnaise as well. And the recipe actually said to drain the pasta again when I had it sitting in the pickle juice, but I didn't. I just left it in there since I'm gonna add pickle juice back to it anyway. So I'm not gonna quite add all of that to the dressing. Now I'm gonna add a little sprinkle of black pepper. And I would add salt if I were using like fresh dill or even just a dried or regular dill. But this seasoning I told you I was gonna use is pretty salty. So I'm not gonna add in any extra salt. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this in. We'll give it a taste in a little bit and we can adjust it if we need to. Let's get our dressing mixed up. All right, let's pour on that dressing. I think I'm gonna do just a tiny little sprinkle more of this seasoning, and I'll link it for y'all. It'll be in my Amazon store if y'all wanna give it a try. It's so good. It's also good on potatoes roasted in the oven. All right, let's give everything a toss. I wanted to pop in here and add a little note that when you first mix this together, the dressing will definitely need some time to kind of set up. So as you can see in just a second, it is on the thinner side right away, but later that night it's set up to be perfect and even better the next day. If you like pickles, this is a must-try, perfect cookout side dish or a little pool snack. So on the night for dinner that we tried all of these salads, we did some grilled chicken to go along with it, and I wanted to tell y'all how we did it because it turned out so good. So first, I marinated our chicken breast in the Good Seasons Italian dressing mix. You can find it where the ranch dressing mix is. Marinated that in that seasoning and some olive oil, and then Darren put on that Kinder's garlic parmesan, just a little bit, not like smothered in it, but y'all, it made the most juicy, tender chicken. There it is on the plate. I'll plate it up with the salads, and each one of these was really, really good. I have to say my favorite was probably the corn salad, then next the dill pickle salad, but that sweet pepper salad was really good as well. All right, y'all, thank you so much for cooking along with me today. I hope that you will give some of these salad recipes a try. Let us know down in the comments below if you've made any of these or if you have any different variations to any of these we made today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye, y'all.